Okay guys, gonna do a little bit of a scalp. Bear with me. Okay, gonna have to be a little bit quick because it's just past the point where I want to enter the market, which is here. I've already taken a little bit out. As you can see, got like 40 quid out, and I don't have anything running at this moment in time. What I want to see is just to peek back a little bit, but I'm looking to get up to around this area. So bear with me just a second while I drop that in, because I want to put an order on the top, roughly there. Okay, I'll explain why that order's there in just a second. And we're still looking to push it up, so I want to put another order in up here to catch the break. Okay, drop that in there. Okay, sorry about that guys, I just wanted to box the price in. Now earlier on made a video for the guys showing how to break a chart up and box it in, and this is basically what that is. Okay, so the first one's triggered, so I'm going to move that back down to the moving average, and that video, if you bear with me, was posted up earlier on today. And if I move this across, there it is there. Okay, and it's basically showing exactly how this chart was made up and why it's been made up in the first place. Very simple trade, and the idea is to get roughly about 100 quid today, because that's all I need. There's a decent amount of air to get up into this level that I've identified, and what the ignition points are, and this is what this is all about actually. It's a little salute to Big Balls, because he asked if I'd kind of do momentum ignition and explain what it is. Now, when you're on a 15-minute chart, you can see it. If you're on a 5 or a minute, it's a little bit harder. But basically what you're looking for is a solid bounce from a level that has some reason behind it that'll add a lot of volume. And in this case, it's this moving average, which is the 8, and you often see me do that on the push. Now, if you bear with me, I'm going to just drop some money off this because it's gone up quite well. Sorry, just want to watch it just a second, because it is pushing. Might actually even hit the target while we're talking. Anyway, right, that's still holding its own. Is it? There we go. Okay, so we've got a bit more money out of that, and we just leave the rest to run. Put that on the top of there in case it comes back. Right, sorry. Trying to work and talk at the same time. It's not the best in the world. Basically what we're looking at is the market's pushed up. It's pulled back into a level that was identified as a strong level. And it's also bouncing a moving average, which is the 8. And you'll see that on the push. And the idea is it rolls up, it bounces off the pair of them, giving it a good old sort of whack, and then it fires it forward. And that is the gist of this trade. Now if I close that off, I shut it off because it's starting to back on itself and there's no point giving money away. I'll just close this down as well, because you can see the tail coming in, so that might come down, bounce, and then go back up again. But in the meantime, I've done the 100 quid, literally just like that. So there we are. In 10 minutes, £100 from a basic idea, and that's it. And then once you've done it, stop. There's no point being a hero. You do what you need to do and you get your money. So the premise of this trade for all, it's like quick and a bit bitty, because I didn't plan on filming it. It's just because I did it for the guys. I wanted to back it up and actually show them it completed. I'd seen that. And if we look at the hourly chart, you can kind of see exactly what was going on. There's the drop. It was solid at that level, moved up, straight, held above this 8 moving average, onto this level that I'd identified here, gave me a target point from this structure here, and then all I was waiting for was a reason to get in, and that reason was a bounce of this 8. So it's up there, came down, bounce, and then you do your count back, because you always let the price come to you. Your entry point was up here, which was the first set of trades that I was doing. These went up, got the money out, let it come back, reset, got it again, and then stop. Because my mantra is always score, score, stop. And why do I do that? The longer I'm in the markets, the more the market has a chance to have a fight with me. And if we get into a fight, it's going to win. So I just do the ninja thing, get in and get out. And that's it. So I've just heard Winky come in. So I'm going to go grab myself another coffee, have some lunch with her, and enjoy the rest of the day, because I'm done. So I genuinely hope these little videos help. Do keep commenting below. Genuinely motivates me to do more, as does subscribing to the channel. And if you're stuck, just go in the description. You'll find all my contact details, and if you're interested in coming along to the Discord, you'll find the links for that there as well. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, and above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.